Hello everyone! Need to sign a contract and get a counter signature? You can now do it all directly within Google Docs and Drive. With your document open, head to the Insert menu and select eSignature. Start by adding your list of signers. Insert fillable fields for the signature, printed name, and date. Be sure to toggle between signers to assign each field correctly. Click Request eSignature to move forward. Enter the email addresses for each signer. You can also add a custom message and toggle automatic reminders. Click the button to generate a PDF and send the request. In the recipient's inbox, they'll see a signature request. A blue bar at the top will guide them through the required steps. They can simply click Start to jump to their fields. When they type in their name, it will auto-generate a signature, or select Draw to sign using a touchpad. Once they click Mark Complete and agree to the terms, you're all set. You'll get an email notification once everyone has signed. Open it to see the final status in the completed document. Try this feature out and see if this could be another option to the paper-based methods. Have a great rest of your day.